Hi, my name is Lim Chin Hai and I'm from Group 2. So our project is the smart doorbell system with the integrated intercom system. I'm in charge of the intercom system where the smart doorbell is able to call the house owner's phone when the visitor presses the button. So in this prototype, I will demonstrate how the doorbell will be able to establish the call. So first we have the node MCU, which acted as a microcontroller and power supply. Next we have the push button, which will act as a dummy for the doorbell button. And lastly we have the SIM 800L, which holds the SIM card that will establish the call with the house owner's phone and the doorbell. So now I'm gonna demonstrate how it all works. First we'll push the button and now it will establish a handshake with the SIM 800L and the SIM card. Upon successful connection, the SIM 800L will call the house owner's phone. As you can see, now we are receiving the call, which means that the call was successful. That's all from me. Thank you.